Hello Minglaba and welcome back food lovers. Today we're making purple yam kuih. A kuih is a bite-sized snack, often sweet and colourful, to be found in Southeast Asia, but mainly in Malaysia, Indonesia and Singapore. The one that we're making today is similar to Kuih Seri Muka, which is made with pandan leaves, but we're going to be substituting yam in the place of pandan leaves. I've made the preparation of this kuih as simple to follow as possible, so as usual, let's begin by going through the list of ingredients. We're firstly going to make the glutinous rice-based layer, so let's go through the list of ingredients for that. You're going to need 100 grams of glutinous rice, 50 ml of water, 100 ml of coconut milk, and also a pinch of salt. Before cooking the glutinous rice, you need to soak it for about half an hour in some cold water. After half an hour, drain the water from the rice and then pour in the coconut milk and water mixture. And make sure that you mix well. Prepare the dish that the rice is to be cooked in by lining it with some cling film and spread it with some oil. This will help us to remove the kuih from the dish when it is finished. Then pour the glutinous rice mixture into the dish and spread evenly. To cook the glutinous rice, steam it in a large pan for about 30 to 40 minutes. While the rice is cooking, we can prepare the purple yam topping. These are the ingredients that you'll need for that. 500 grams of purple yam, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 25 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, a 400 gram tin of sweetened condensed milk, and 300 milliliters of coconut milk. To prepare the purple yam topping, firstly cut and peel them. It's only when you cut through them that you can appreciate how beautiful they look. Then cook the yams by steaming them for half an hour. When the yams are cooked, add them into a blender along with the coconut milk, condensed milk, sugar and vanilla mixture. And give it a good blitz in the blender until a smooth mixture is achieved. Pour the mixture into a pan and heat up for about 10 minutes. Make sure that you continually stir during those 10 minutes. The mixture will eventually thicken up and it is ready when it looks like this. Pour the mixture on top of the cooked glutinous rice and smooth it out by using a spatula. Leave the kuih for about 30 minutes or until it cools down. After this time, you can take it out from the dish and it should come out easily by pulling on the cling film. Cut the kuih into diamond shapes or whatever shape you prefer. It is now ready to serve. The kuih is best eaten at room temperature and within 24 hours. Thanks for watching folks, and see you next time!